Hello guys, as you know that TikTok along with other 59 Chinese applications have been banned in India. Today in this video I will tell you about the guy who reverse engineered, not only reverse but successfully reverse engineered TikTok, and what were his shocking statements about the app. So without wasting time, let's move towards the article about what he said. So as you can see that he posted this article 5 days ago, and what he said that uh, he has reverse engineered the app successfully, and he discovered some scary things while you know as he reverse engineered the app, and he advises people to stay away from it. So let's without wasting time, let's see some important things that what he discovered. So he says that, so I can personally weigh in on this. I reverse engineered the app and feel confident in stating that I have very strong understanding for the app, how it operates. So he says that I have successfully reverse engineered the app and I know that how exactly the app works. So further he says that TikTok is a data collection service that is thinly veiled as a social network. you know as a social network, it is not a social networking application. It is actually data collecting application of various users of the countries, to provide Chinese government. So next, further what he says, some of the variants app had GPS pinging enabled at the time, roughly once every 30 seconds. This is enabled by default if you ever location tag a post IRC. So you can see they set up a local proxy server on your device for transcoding media, but that can be abused very easily as it has zero authentication. The next thing that he discovered was the scariest part of all this is that much of the logging they are doing is remotely configurable, and unless you reverse every single one of their native libraries, fund reading all the comment, okay, and manually inspect every single obscured, so remotely they can access everything on your device. So this is the worst thing. So next important thing that he found was with test virality to entice, okay, this is not that important. They encrypt all of the analytics request with an algorithm that changes with every update. At the very least the keys change just so you can't see what they are doing. They also made it so you cannot use the app at it all if you block communication to their analytics host of at. So you can see this. For what it's worth, I have reversed the Instagram. So he says that he has also reverse engineered Instagram, Facebook, Reddit and Twitter, but they don't collect you know the data even near as the amount of data TikTok collects. It is like comparing a cup of water to the ocean, you know so you can say that clearly see that TikTok is, it just collects your valuable data and it sells the data. So how risky it is. So this is what, it is a whole big article, but these were some important facts about what he found when he reverse engineered the app. So guys, this is a big article. The guy who reverse engineered TikTok has revealed so many important things about this app, and has told us that how dangerous this app is, in terms of privacy. Privacy, it collects data, sells our important data from the device to the Chinese government. And there are so many things that he has stated in this article. If you want to read this full article, I will give the link of this article in the description. So if you are interested in reading the full article, please check out this article. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, so for more informational videos that I am going to bring.